There's a gentleman in this audience tonight. He told me this story Sunday night when we both heard him, Freedom Berry. Now, here was his technique. He desired to dispose of his home. He and his mother live in this home, and they didn't know where to go. They've been in the home all these years. Inwardly, he actually put himself into a state. Just a state of having what he had, and yet he disposed of it, and all these things within his mind. Well, it was an impossible thing, you would say, in this world of Caesar. How could you be in a place that you sold? He loved it. It seemed big for the two of them. And then he tells me his story. He sold the house for $65,000 in cash. And then the sale carries this with it. He and his mother will remain in the house rent-free until she makes her exit from this world. The present owner will pay all taxes, all upkeep, all insurance, and the gardener. Their only expense while living in this place is to pay their personal insurance on furniture, clothing, jewelry, and so on. $65,000 in cash, and still living in the same home with an agreement to remain there to the end of his mother's life. Rent-free. Everything is possible in God's world.